Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are organizing my pantry. But first, today's video is in collaboration with Danielle Jones. She is amazing. She has been with me since my beginning, and now she has reached her 1,000 subscriber goal, and she posts motivational videos. She posts awesome stuff. She has an adorable family, amazing do-it-yourselves. So please go check her out and let her know I sent you. And if you're coming from her channel, hi, hello, I'm so happy to have you here, and I hope you hit that subscribe button before you leave today. So as you can see, my pantry is quite ridiculous. I don't think I have been able to get in here for quite some time, so it is overdue. First thing I'm going to do though is just empty everything out. After I have everything out, I'm just going to take the time to go through everything and check the expiry dates. There's a few items that I know are expired, and then some items I just bought, so this shouldn't be too long. After that, I'm just going to pretty well put everything back in an orderly fashion and kind of sort and organize things so that I know what I need, what I have, and can see everything clearly. I end up with 2 bags of pasta, I end up with 2 bags of sugar, I end up with 3 bags of croutons I have to put into one. I never am able to see anything, so my goal is to just have it so that everything is viewable or easily viewable instead of that mess where everything was thrown in before.
I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it.
anyways, that's the video, and this is the finished product. I have everything organized, cooking supplies, baking supplies, then I have my pastas and my canned goods and my teas, and you'll see as I go through, it's just kind of all together in sections that it should be. And I really hope that you like this video and that you subscribe and like and comment if you want to see more of these. I basically want to organize and declutter my entire home, so there's going to be lots of content coming up soon, and I'm so excited. So stick around and I'll see you next time. Bye.